Hey guys, as a beauty partner of Korea Tourism Organization's national brand Imagine Your Korea, I did a BLACKPINK Jennie inspired makeup look. This is one of her natural makeup looks. Love all of Jennie's makeup looks and outfits for their new song, 뚜루뚜루. Of course, for Jennie's look, we can't leave out the color contacts, and these are the ones she actually wears. Oh, and I also got a magic straight perm touch-up, which the vlog is at the end of this video. Okay, so let's start. On the face, I'll be using a full coverage foundation to create flawless skin like Jennie's. Have you tried any Korean foundations? Next, I'm going to conceal my acne spots, dark circles, scars. Now using a brown pencil, I'm going to shape my brows. Jennie has a long tail and a smooth brow arch. So I'm also going to apply some concealer on my pointy arch to make it look more round and smooth. To blend the front. Love my Korean shadow sticks. Have you guys done any makeup shopping in Korea? I'm just going to apply this on the lid and then using a light peach shadow. I noticed Jennie uses a lot of like peach, gold, and brown shades. Now Jennie's eyes are long, so to create her look, I'm going to extend the shadow outward. Just extend it all the way out to the end of the brows. Then blend, blend, blend. Done! Now using a rose brown shade, I'm going to apply this on the ends of my eye to smoke out the look. And like before, just extend the shadow outward to make it look long like Jennie's beautiful eyes. I'm so going to apply some on the lower lash line. Now using a rose taupe eye pencil, I'm going to just smoke out the look a little bit more. Just applying some on the ends. Also at the bottom. Time to line the eyes. Jennie usually wears really thin eyeliner, so I'm going to line my eyes using a gel liner. Very thin, and then winging out a little bit. Now, most important is the glitter. Jennie wears like gold shimmer shadows on the center of her lid and on the inner corners of her eye. Curling my lashes. And then adding a mascara on the top. Oh yeah, I forgot the tight line. Also on the lower waterline. Not on the ends though. Only the front 2/3. Now for the blush, I'm using a light peach shade and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. This will make me look kind of young like Jennie. And last, to complete this look, applying a rosy nude shade. Gorgeous color. Just applying it all over the lips. And then I'm using a brighter pink shade and applying it in the center to create a gradient lip effect, which is really popular in Korean makeup trend. So that was the final look for Jennie's 뚜루뚜루 natural makeup look. Now let's go get my hair done. Have you guys ever been to a Korean hair salon? So today I'm getting a magic straight perm retouch. I got a magic straight perm about a year ago, so my natural wavy hair is growing back, so it's kind of curly at the top and in the inside of my hair. So my stylist is going to straighten the inside. As you can see, it's wavy. Time to wash my hair. I love the service here in Korean salons. The shampoos smell so good and they're so good at massaging. So the magic straight perm takes about 3 hours if you have long hair like I do, so keep that in mind. I also love getting the C curls at the bottom, but today I'm just going to get it super straight. There are a lot of magazines that you could read while raiding. Yes, it's getting straight, you guys. So they strain small sections of your hair at a time, and there's products on it to make this actually permanent. I've also got questions about if you can tie your hair up. My stylist said I can start tying my hair 1 week after I get it strained. So here's how it looks after. Yay! Beautiful! Now I don't have to wake up in the morning and straighten my hair every day. Now let's go to Hongdae. Are you guys hungry? I'm starving. Let's go get some pizza. You can find really good pizza here in Korea. And oh my gosh, these fries taste so good. Okay guys, now let's go to the main streets of Hongdae. The weather feels so nice today. So many things to look at. Oh, so let's go to an arcade. This arcade is 3 stories and it's only $1 each. So there was this doll that I wanted, the 수고했어 from the K-drama. I suck at playing these games. Pump time! I love pump. I'm glad it's easy to find here in Korea. Arrow. Oh my gosh, my first try, I did it. Unbelievable. Good shot. Yay! Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, I suck at this. I got a score 0 and this too. I'm so weak. 123. Let's see what Aiden got. 836. Now let's go to a coin karaoke. So in Korea, you can use a coin karaoke and pick like a few songs for a few dollars. So today I'm just going to put in $2 and sing 5 songs. Room 311. It's my first time in the coin karaoke and oh my gosh, it's so cute. There's even a mic stand for me to dance. Guess what the song is? Okay guys, let's go. How about some shopping? These are so cute and look, it's $10 and it's 1 + 1. You can find really good deals here. These jeans are super cute. They have really cute accessories, hair accessories, phone cases, vlogging. Okay, let's go to the area where they do a lot of like dances and busking. Also today there's a dance group. Do you guys know what they're dancing to? It's a K-pop song. So many people today. Good job! Shopping time! So I found this really cute accessory shop. Look at these. All the earrings are so pretty. This will look so cute for the holidays. Wow. There's even clothes. I love linen. Hungry. Let's go get some dessert. Ooh, there's a long waiting line. Selfie. Our turn to go in. Oh my gosh, this strawberry cake is the best. Let's go have a seat. So I got iced tea and Aiden got ice americano. Oh my gosh, so good. Selfie time. Cheers. Okay guys, let's go. So that was pretty much all I did today. Hope you guys had a great time hanging out with me here in Hongdae. Have you guys ever been to Korea? Let me know what you guys did whenever you came to visit. And also right now, it's almost fall here in Korea, so the weather is getting really nice. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye! Imagine you're from Korea! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to mention that EXO is now an ambassador for Korea Tourism Organization's national brand Imagine Your Korea. So check out their Facebook and YouTube channel to watch more of their videos. There's a lot of fun videos up. Like you can see here, these girls are visiting Korea and you can see them getting their hairs done, their makeup done, going shopping, kind of like what I did today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!